Hi, I'm Adam Sussman, Director of Research at TABB Group, joined by Jason Panzer, a partner at Marlin Associates. And we're in the dog days of summer. Equity volumes are down, but I think we both agree that it seems as if M&A activity in our sector is picking up. I mean, is that you have the same sense?
We've been quite busy, actually. In the middle market, M&A in and around financial services technology has been busy. You've seen more companies going to market, more large strategic acquirers looking at deals, and in addition, thinking about doing certain buy-side assignments to further explore in certain areas in which they're looking to build.
Yeah, one of the things that you were talking about earlier was how New York Stock Exchange has divested some properties, Deutsche Börse. Meanwhile, you have the recent acquisition that you guys have worked on with NASDAQ and Smarts. What is that? What are the divestitures and also the acquisitions tell you about where the exchanges are going?
The exchanges seem to be focused on technology, and so New York Stock Exchange's divestiture of Hugin was an investor relations technology business, but not a trading technology business. So there really seems as though the exchanges are focused on trading technology. New York Stock Exchange a couple of years back bought Wombat, and they're building that business out.
Right.
At the same time, we're seeing companies in that low latency and connectivity space. There are a number of businesses out there that are attractive, and we're seeing that the exchanges continue to be interested there.
Do you think that the exchanges are the primary folks that are going to be acquiring those low latency companies, or do you see some other potential fits for those types of firms?
Certainly the exchanges are one way to go, because in the low latency business you want to be as close to the venue as possible, right? And that's the advantage.
That makes sense.
But there's other ways to skin the cat, so I'm sure there are plenty of other folks out there who are interested.
Yeah, absolutely. What beyond low latency, which is something that is certainly on everyone's mind, are there any other sectors or technologies that you think are heating up?
We think of that across the board right now. There's more of an appetite. You have a number of sellers who have sort of been thinking about transacting for a while, and now that things are starting to heat up a little bit, they're putting their toe in the water. And we're also seeing that the large strategic players on the buy side, as well as private equity firms, are willing to offer more reasonable values for deals. So we're pretty bullish on M&A.
What about some of those companies that are a little bit larger, that have probably been waiting around to try to go public? Do you think you think that there's a possibility that we're going to see some familiar names try to make an IPO in the next 12 months?
The IPO market is still tough. You need a company of a certain level of size and scale to get there. And we have this conversation with folks all the time when they're evaluating their strategic options. And in this sector in which we're discussing, the strategic sale tends to be a better outcome, rather than taking a company public and dealing with the enhanced regulatory scrutiny and everything that goes with being a public company these days.
Yeah, well, I guess TABB Group's not going public anytime soon, huh? So, Jason, thanks for coming in on this Friday afternoon.
Thanks, Adam.
And thanks for joining us.